Welcome to Crack-A-Pack. My name is Andrew. Today we're cracking open March of the Machine. Let's get cracking. Our first card today is a wild card. And then we have a Thornwood Falls. Our multiversal legend is Tetsuo Umezawa the Fugitive. Our battle is Invasion of Ravnica, which can then be cast as Guild-Pact Paragon. We have Skyclave Aerialist, which transforms into Skyclave Invader. Then we have Copper Host Crusher, Sculpted Perfection, Streetwise Negotiator, Negate, Bola Slinger, Attentive Sky Warden, Fertilid's Favor, Oculus Whelp, Aki Scrap Chomper, Etched Familiar, and Onake Javelineer to round out the pack. And today's Pack 1 Pick 1 I kind of like the idea of Tetsuko Umezawa Fugitive for a pick 1. It's a little weird, but I mean, it's saying, hey, draft little creatures or creatures that have very, very low toughness so that you can just get a whole bunch of unblockables. It's just saying draft creatures, basically. On the other hand, I really like Invasion of Ravnica. But the idea of having to draft around getting exactly 2 colors on your spells is not great. Like, looking through this pack, yeah, there's what, 1, 2? Yeah, Skyclave Aerialist and Sculpted Perfection would be the only 2 that... I know you don't hold on to the entire pack, but just as an example, those would be it. And so I don't think that it's really worth a pick 1 for Invasion of Ravnica. Sure, it becomes a 5/5, but I mean, sure, it's going to be able to find a target for the ETB because there aren't going to be a lot of permanents that are exactly 2 colors, but then the ability of the Guild-Pact Paragon isn't going to trigger much. And even if it does trigger, it's not going to get hits very often, and you're just going to have to put cards on the bottom of your library for it. So that's why I like Tetsuko Umezawa Fugitive more. It's easier to draft 1 power or toughness creatures, at least in my opinion. So Tetsuko Umezawa Fugitive is my pick 1. What's yours? Let me know in the comments below. But that's all for today. Thank you for cracking along with me. Be sure to check back tomorrow as we crack open another pack.